What's good, everyone? It's your boy Zachy SJ here. Haven't made a video in a couple weeks, but you know, I'm still outside, always still outside. Coronavirus trying to keep everyone inside, which everyone should be doing, but you know, I'm outside. I got a little video for you guys today. Just painted the Z. It's red. I'm just waiting on my 2K clear coat cans coming in the mail, but my garage is pretty messed up. It's pretty crazy, pretty dirty right now, so I'm gonna try to clean it. As you can see, yeah, it's like freaking beautiful out today. Oh my gosh. We literally just had 3 straight days of rain. Pretty warm out too. I don't want to color reveal it. Too late. So yeah, this is the Rattle campaign job I did right now. So far, this is without 2K clear. There's some imperfections, but you know, I don't really care. But my garage is freaking. Oh my, there's a bird in here. What? Yo, that's nuts. Nice red car. It's pretty dirty in here. This is the before. Around, you know, everything. This is before clear coat. I used about 6 cans of Regal Red. Now I'm aware that it's, you know, 100% not that good. At this point, I just wanted to get some paint on the car. The car had been matte black for a while. Hour or two later, I feel like I got a lot done. I definitely cleaned up a lot of the stuff on the ground, definitely all the dirt and stuff, because I'm ready to do clear coat. I also just did the valve cover in red for the first time. Actually, it came out pretty decent. Definitely all I can say is let it cure, because this was my first time doing it. I kind of half-assed it, still came out pretty good. Rattle campaign job I did on my Z3. Not the cleanest, but I'm hoping that the 2K clear coat will revive it, you know, give it that nice gloss. And let me show you guys my garage, see how it came out. As you can see, I had cleared up a lot of space. A lot of space for the car, you know. Oil section right here with some of my trash. Got some cleaning supplies on this side. Electrical tools. 7-inch buffer, heat gun, and orbital. Wire brushed attachment on a drill. Impact gun. My spray paints. This stuff is amazing. Oh my gosh. I'm definitely gonna do a review on this product, because right here, this next generation Tech Wax 2.0 by McGuire's is an amazing stuff, definitely. I got over here some of the products I use, you know, 2-step Lexol, buy from Walmart. This 2-step process for interior works really well.